If you are a digital marketer and want to promote your content, Google Ads help you to promote your business. Google Ads help you to find sales online by phone or in store. Get leads and conversions by encouraging customers to take action. Get the right people to visit your website. Encourage people to explore your product and services. Reach a broad audience and build awareness and get more installs and interaction for your app. Let's start to sign in Google Ads. We click here on Get Start button. Sign in with Gmail ID. After login, it asks for what's your main advertisement goal. At this time, we ignore all these things and click on Switch to Expert mode. Here we come on the page selecting goal for your campaign. We do not make any campaign right now, so ignore it. Here we continue with create an account without campaign. Here we confirm our business information. Here all are preset. We click on submit button. You are all done. Explore your Google Ads account. Now we click on tools and setting. Click on summary. Now open new billing setup window. Set your billing country, payment profile and payment method. Now I set my payment method. Here are so many payment options like Google Pay, money transfer, net banking, add debit or credit card, link Paytm wallet. Here we go with adding debit card with Google Ads account and set manual payment. Now we adding 2000 rupees in account. Transaction become completed. It takes some time for update. After few hours, payment will show in account.